If you're new to Illustrator, it can be a little bit difficult to find out how to import images. But the only thing you need to do is go to File, and instead of looking for Import Images, you simply go to this one that says Place. Inside this pop-up right here, you choose the image you want to import, and we have a few options right here. The 3 bottom options right here doesn't really matter. But this one is really important, because if link is checked, you don't actually import an image into Illustrator, you simply import a link into Illustrator. This means that if you move the original image even after you imported it, you'll get an error inside Illustrator, because it can't no longer find the path to the file. So if you want to embed the image into the Illustrator file, so that the image moves with the file, you simply need to uncheck this one, so that it isn't a link, but an embedded file. The downside to this is that the file is a little bit bigger, so to save space you could use the link feature. You can use the link feature to use the same image in multiple Illustrator projects. And if you later want to edit the image, let's say make it black and white, you can just change the original file to black and white, and then it will be changed as well in all the Illustrator projects. So that is another reason why you want to use the link feature. But for this project we will embed the image. So just uncheck this link feature and click Place. And here we have the image. So use this tip in your next project. If you like this video, you can hit the like button, or you can watch this next video that YouTube recommends for you.